Okay, y'all, so I'm having a little car troubles right now, man. So, let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. All right, y'all. So, we got a lot going on today, y'all. We got a lot of ripping and running to do. And hopefully we can make some blue faces like we did yesterday, you guys. So, right now, you guys, I'm on the way to the office. I'm in the Chevy Equinox from the other day's vlog, you guys. And this thing is pretty much ready to go once we clean it up and all that stuff. Basically, it does not need that rear right strut that we were hearing. That's really, that is just the plastic out there, man. And I'll show you guys that for the new people that's watching this video. But I did want to let you guys know, man, if at any point that you like anything that you hear, anything that you see on this video, then make sure you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then when you click the notification bell, click the all button. I know y'all sick and tired of hearing it, but you're not doing it yet, man, so I'm gonna keep on saying it, you guys. And then also, if you check out the links in the description below, make sure you go check all that stuff out down there. Y'all got the social media platforms down there. I also have the free stocks, the free money, the free apps, a whole bunch of other stuff for you, man. And then the list of supplies, man. So let's go down there, check that out. If you guys are like aspiring dealers and all that stuff, I got like the code reader that I use, which is still on sale. And then like the jump packs and all that good stuff. And once again, I recommend that blue jump pack, the trusty joint, the one that's right there that I really love the most. But I do like that Noco boost. That's pretty decent as well. For when you like just don't want to carry that heavy old thing, but that blue one, that will jump anything at any time for sure, and a lot of cars for sure. But anyways, man, we're just gonna get to the next destination, you guys, and then we're just gonna kind of go from there, man. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, just made it to the lot, swapped over everything. We hopping in the SRX, you guys. I don't really need to show y'all all this, but I guess I do, just because it's a new video. Why not? I'll make it real quick though. That's the SRX, man. So front brakes and rotors is what the deal is on this joint. And then what else was going on with it? Then a fuel injector, or it's got a cylinder 3 misfire, but it says it's a fuel injector. So we shall see. Getting ready to go swap this joint with the G6 out at Jeff's, man. Jeff is rocking right now, man. And this is why I like having multiple mechanics, because when somebody isn't working, then the other mechanic is. So he pumping them out for me. So I just took this one, as you guys know, from yesterday from one mechanic, and then now I'm bringing it to another one. So I'm cool with that, man. So I got to go put some air in the tires. As you guys can see, that light is on for the tires. I just also want to do that just because I was getting a little bit of shaking in the steering wheel yesterday. You guys probably could hear that the brake scraping again too. But yeah, man. So check engine lights flashing, of course. And yeah, man, so let's get to it. All right, y'all, so I put that air in these tires, man, and she is driving the way that she should now, which is good news for sure. So yeah, by it sitting, I think it's been sitting for like a month, y'all. So by it sitting like that, then it lost some air. So but yeah, we good now. So I'll see you guys at Jeff's. All right, y'all, here is that G6, man, with the new wheel covers on there, looking pristine, I want to say. I said prestige, one word. Big idiot. Let me fix the camera again. It's tripping. But yeah, man, here she is, you guys. For all the new guys, tinted windows, like 130 something thousand miles. Brand new VVT solenoid in there, you guys, and front brakes and rotors. So I only needed one VVT solenoid, so I'm saving 50 bucks on that. Got to get my dealer plate off of this young Cadillac, man. And we're going to get on the road, man. So everything is working out as it should. Very, very happy about this. Most definitely let Jeff know that I really appreciate him for doing what he's doing right now, man, because he's been knocking out these cars for me when these people aren't able to do it, man. So I'm gonna keep this business relationship most definitely flourishing like it used to. So anyways, we're gonna hop on this road, man. We're gonna see how this thing drives today, make sure we ain't got no scraping and all that good stuff, and go from there. All right, y'all, so I'm driving this joint, man, and she's doing good, man. It's not doing any of that funny stuff it was doing before. The brakes aren't scraping. It's a smooth brake. So yeah, man, again, I'm happy, man. If you guys, if you have been watching my vlogs, man, you already know like the struggle I've been dealing with a lot of these mechanics, like just picking up my car and they halfway doing my stuff, man. So it just feels good to be back in the swing with things with my old mechanic, man. This is like literally, this is like my first mechanic that I've ever. No, it's not my first, but it's my second mechanic. But like when I first like went all the way to being like a dealer, getting my dealer's license, this is the first mechanic. So man, this is I'm excited, man, as you guys can see, man. So anyways, let's get to the next destination, which I don't really know where we're going. So I'll see you there. Okay, y'all, I am back at the lot again, man. We getting ready to I just took the Pontiac G6, washed it out and everything, took some pictures. I'm gonna come back and vacuum it. I'm also getting ready to go grab my little trusty little cleaner. That way I don't have to wait on no detail dudes, so I can clean them seats off. I didn't post the car yet, so I'm not gonna post it because I want to make sure I give it enough time to dry just in case somebody hit me. I think this one's gonna go pretty fast, man, for sure. But right now, getting ready to take this up, this Hyundai Santa Fe, you guys, up to the car wash as well. Get this washed up, post it. I don't know what the heck my brother was thinking with this thing. He didn't even vacuum it out, but I'm gonna wash it, take pictures, and then get this thing posted as well. And then obviously I'm gonna have to probably clean it out, or I'm gonna have him, when he comes out here, do it himself. I don't feel like really doing everything today. I got a lot of other stuff I gotta do as well. So that's the plan, man. Equinox, I was messing with that a little bit more than when I was driving earlier today. Hold on, let me make sure I don't hit this dang car. I'm gonna cry if I do. Let me see. All right, yeah, so I was messing with that. Let me cut this down. It's kind of hot in here too. I was messing with that Equinox, and then I think it's not even just the little plastic piece. Man, let me show y'all this real quick, man. Instead of me describing it and I ain't even showed y'all anything. Hold on. Bag up real quick. Act like I don't know how to drive. All right. Whew. It's hot out here, y'all. So it's coming from the rear right. Yep. So I was hearing this for sure. You guys can see this is a little bit more sturdy now. So I was messing with this, and guess what? I think that's where the noise is coming from too. So I think it's a combination from both of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically I'm probably gonna take that fuel door off and then drive it again, see if that's actually the noise. If it is, then I might just keep that fuel door off. I don't know yet. I will see. And then I didn't even show you guys, it's broken in the inside, so the little slot is broken. So I think that's what it is, but we shall see. This thing did not get fixed, which I asked the mechanic to do, but he didn't. But it's all good, man. I will keep it moving and grooving as always and stay positive. But we shall get to it, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So I'm still keeping it moving and grooving, man. At storage, leaving these cars. Right, this is not my Camaro, y'all, if y'all was ever wondering about that. But let me check this thing real quick. Hold on, y'all. Picking up the Malibu, man. The Malibu's finally done. That thing is right behind me. Right there, y'all. It's still kind of leaning to the left a little bit. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the pavement, though. Because it's sitting up higher now in the back, y'all. He did coil springs in the back. And then we did 2 front struts. We did a knuckle. And we did 2 sway bar links. So it should be straight. He said he drove it good. We got used struts in the front. He said that front right is still a little noisy, but it's a lot better than the one before. So that's like the risk you take when you're putting in old parts. As you guys can hear that young rust moving around. It's just how it is. Got some creaks in there. So I'm gonna dry this joint real quick. That exhaust is a little loud. I'm not even tripping on his exhaust, man. It's just gonna be somebody's little cheap little commuter. We know the mechanics is good, so we should be straight, man. So we're gonna put it on a little test drive real quick, you guys, and see what she do. All right, let's see. Raise this window up a little bit. 60. 70. All right, I'm cool with it. It's still, yeah, that strut is popping a little bit. Yeah, it is popping a little bit. And I'm getting a little vibration in my steering wheel. But you can't make everything perfect though, man. I want to make it perfect, but in order for me to do that, that'd be a lot more money and a lot more time. Comment below, would you fix it more? Like refix the fix? Nah. Nah, I'm good. It's just got, so like it's only about 70 when you get that little triple. You go up to 75, you good. So this would be a good running car, man. Somebody want to put brand new struts on there, man, they gonna go ahead and put brand new struts on there. I'm gonna go ahead and sell it as is. As you guys can see, I'm not scared. I'm driving it. It's driving straight. We did a whole bunch of work to it, so it is what it is, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these pictures and then post this joint, and then we will go from there, man. See you guys in a few. We still got some more running to do and all that good stuff, man. Okay, y'all, so I'm having little car troubles right now, man. So Malibu was driving good, and then all of a sudden it started misfiring. So obviously we got to figure out what's up with that, man. Man, these cars, man, keep on telling y'all, they got a mind of their own. Ain't nothing I can do with it, man. Then my dang Santa Fe, I took it through the car wash, and then the water got all up. I didn't know they didn't have a rock guard. I forgot to tell y'all that part. I didn't know it didn't have a rock guard, so the water got all up in the alternator. So I had a little issue there too, earlier or whatever, but I'm not worried about that. Obviously, we know that'll dry off, but that's something I'm gonna have to tell the buyer, because they're gonna need to know that if they go through the car wash, and then and then look. So here's my trusty dandy Cadillac that's been acting all crazy lately. I gotta like wait for it to get powered. Look at that, it's crazy. Now when it starts, watch, it's gonna start. Car problems today, y'all. So I don't know, man. Anyways, either way it goes, man, I got to keep it moving and grooving. We got some more parts I got to pick up. I don't think I'm gonna be dropping them off today, because obviously he's gonna be working on this Malibu, and yeah, man, the parts are actually for that Montero, which I really need to get fixed so that I can get my money out of that. Yeah, man, I just got a lot of stuff that just kind of happened in like the matter of 30 minutes, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna see. I guess I'll meet you guys at the next destination, which would probably be, I gotta actually go to O'Reilly, and then I gotta go to AutoZone, because O'Reilly had like the 2 back ones, and then AutoZone had like the 2 front or something like that. And like O'Reilly was trying to charge me for, because it was special order, so O'Reilly was trying to charge me for freight, which was like an extra like 30 bucks, and then AutoZone was like waiving it or whatever. So it was a real weird situation, but I ended up getting it figured out. So been waiting on the stuff to actually get here. So guess I should probably call before I say, oh my God. Here, I'll be struggling today, man. Struggling. It's one of them days, boy, I might need me a little beer real quick now. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in a second. What's up, y'all? It is a new day, man, and the sun is out, and it's not great. Whatever, I don't know what the heck I was talking about, but anyways, y'all, I got the shocks in the back, y'all. Finally got them things together. I didn't end up getting y'all no more footage yesterday because they didn't have my parts, man. So we, as you guys know, we had 2 out of the 4 struts, or shocks, or whatever you want to call them, and now we got 4 out of 4, which is great news, man. So I'm on my way right now to the mechanic. We're going to drop these joints off real quick, and then we are going to go from there, man. So I might be heading out of town again, but this time not personal. I might be going to a auction and getting some cars, man. So I'll keep you guys tuned in with what's going on there. We shall see, man. So if we do go, man, it's going to be the whole entire team, everybody besides Tremaine. So we all going to go do this thing, and gonna get some cars, man. So if you guys remember, well, I don't think I had my YouTube channel last year when I went and bought these cars, man. We bought a grip of cars last year. I think we bought about 20 cars from this auction, and I think we're gonna do it again, man. So let's see what happens, man. I will see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, so I just got here, man, and bad news for the Malibu, man. It needs a rack and pinion, which is another big job. Well, not necessarily big, but that's just another job that I didn't want to do. And then we still got that misfire that happened yesterday. Malibu, y'all, is right there for everybody that likes to skip videos. But the Malibu, yeah, I'm a little bit stressed out about this right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but it's all good though. And then that Milan, you guys, then that thing, the axle started acting all crazy, man. So we got to do the axle on there. So I got to locate this part and then figure this out. It's like every day you think that something's going to be simple. It's not, man. But I'm not really tripping on it. We'll figure it out, you guys. So let me find this this part so I can go grab that real quick, and then hopefully we can make enough time. I'm gonna be. I didn't even tell you, man. If I go get my if I end up going out of town, I'm probably gonna be bringing my boys with me. My boys, I'm talking about my children. Y'all know y'all haven't seen them on here in a while, because everybody's bringing their families up. So it's really like a vacation type, getaway type / business / a whole bunch of other stuff we got going on. But I will let you guys know what's up, man. Hopefully we can find these parts and then keep our day moving and grooving, man. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna have to pack and all types of stuff, man. So let's figure it out. Here we are, y'all. Brand new day with the kiddos. Say what's up to you two, man.
What's up?
What's up? My room's a little messy, you guys. Got a little suite out here, you guys. Now it is time to get to this auction. I won't be getting no footage today, you guys, because it's a lot of cars and I want to go through them all. So I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, I'm out. Peace.